Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for law school step by step. First, focus on understanding the fundamental legal principles and rules for each course. Next, develop detailed outlines from your class notes and assigned readings, which will serve as your primary study tools. Regularly engage with practice questions and past exams to apply your knowledge. Finally, consider joining a study group to discuss complex topics and gain different perspectives, enhancing your overall comprehension and retention. To master active learning, begin by reading cases with a critical eye, extracting the essential facts, issues, rules, and analyses. Then, construct your own comprehensive outlines, integrating lecture material with your case briefs. These outlines should be living documents, evolving as your understanding deepens. Condense these outlines into shorter, more manageable attack sheets for quick review. Visual aids like flowcharts can also help you grasp intricate legal doctrines and their interconnections. Consistent practice is crucial for success in law school. Dedicate significant time to working through practice problems and hypothetical scenarios, applying the legal rules you have learned. Simulate actual exam conditions, including time limits, to build your endurance and refine your time management strategies. Actively seek constructive feedback on your written answers from your professors or teaching assistants. Additionally, carefully review model answers to understand the structure and depth of effective legal analysis. Acing your law exams requires a strategic approach. Before the exam, develop a clear strategy for tackling different question types, such as essays and multiple choice. During the exam, manage your time meticulously, allocating sufficient time to each question to ensure you address all components. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Adequate sleep, healthy nutrition, and short breaks are vital. Stay organized with your study materials and review your condensed outlines frequently in the days leading up to your exams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.